take first possession goes to Genesis, and Dali Wall picks it up to Deck. Deck will set the table for Genesis to go to the other side. Roll it up inside pass, the pass over the defense, and Nathan gets it to the win. Genesis wants to they get a steal.
What? What's that?
Pressure here.
Oh! Woo! Hey! Natetense na sila. Na-intimidate sila eh. Rebound! Ayun! Rebound! What? Come on! Ay, ay, ay. Wow.
First team foul on Genesis. Genesis is implementing to get away and execute on the other side. 4 pass fakes.
Yes! Woo! Let's go! Yeah!
Clutch started their last ball game against Jillian Wright.
Rebound! Come on, get ball! What? Oo nga eh, naagaw na nila eh. Acho! What are you doing? And one pa.
On number 60. First team foul. As Mally Wall next on is anyone Twitter.
Go, 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 go! Make it shot! Yeah, rebound! Get the ball! Make it! Lakas.
Possession Genesis.
Ay, ay, ay. Konti lang, 12 lang naman lamang nila.
Naka-start pala?
Oo.
What a strong start.
Mapapagod din yung mga yan.
Acting under defensive pressure, getting those steals and getting those easy layups. See if they can execute here.
Pasok.
Pointer rolls it out. Akilula with the basketball. Stops, kicks it out.
Go! Alakas! Rebound! Ay, 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 yes, yes. Ay, binigay niya tuloy. Wala. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo eh. Go, Sean. Go, Sean.
Execute your offense. Step back.
Yes! Good job, Sean! Woo! Let's go, Sean!
Everybody from Genesis scouring.
Defense! Defense! Wala. Pasok. Come on, come on, come on.
Starting to adjust to this defense.
Yes! Woo! Let's go! Come on! Hindi man kayo makalay up dyan. Okay na kayo mag-3 points sa mag-3 points. Okay. Yes! Woo!
Five straight points for Clutch. So Clutch keeping themselves in.
Yay! Woo!
Trouble team niya.
Oh, travel team nila yan eh. Go Kirby.
Successful at the last part. Genesis, the floor.
Yes! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Rebound! Yes! Woo!
So let's see if Clutch can continue their run here. They've struck together 7 straight points.
Monchon!
They go past Buta again. Wide open jumper.
Yeah! Let's go! Defense! 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 Pasok. Ay, ay!
For Genesis, 2-1-2 fast break on the other side. Left we finish is good for Kai Newman. So back to 8-point.
Kailang yan.
Counter run for Genesis. Drive and throw, picking up the three-point.
Ay, ay, ay! Sayang.
Faster, run!
Work time.
Get the ball! Yes!
Go hard!
Ah, yes!
Goes all the way a fishing expedition there.
Oh, you know, right? Make it. Ay, ay, ay.
One more card!
Down by 8.
Shoot a card.
Ang lakas. Rebound!
Defense! Defense!
Defense! Defense! Defense! Rebound! Rebound! Yeah, yeah. Oh, walang kinatatakutan eh.
Clutch came back. They're on their own now. Genesis. With their own ball.
Come on, Kirby. You can do it, Kirby!
Short!
Ay, ay, langanin.
Short, anak, short!
Less than 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Exciting matchup here in the championship game in the U16.
Rebound! Yeah, rebound! Ay, ay! Ay! Oh, anak. Ay, ay! Yes! Come on, pito lang, pito lang. Get the ball!
Genesis speaks it around. Still going.
Wala, rebound!
45 Adam Eagle. So a chance here for Clutch YRC to inch they're down quickly by 7 points with 45 seconds remaining. It's been hot here in the first. Who does
Come on, come on, come on.
Against a much shorter defense.
Ay, ay!
Telegraph pass.
Ito na lang sabi ko eh, umabot ng 9. Come on, come on!
Fast break layup. So about 7 seconds differential between the game clock and
Come on, Kirby!
probably 2 possessions remaining in this first quarter. Spins, which is the basketball, regains it, still loose. 13. Marks the threes. See, the Mata is there. And that goes out of bounds. Clutch basketball, they're down 1-9.
I know, right? Help!
The defense for Genesis.
8, 7! Ay, ay, ay! Foul! Woohoo!
There's a foul.
Okay. One, tumawag ako. No. Well, sige.
Ay, ay.
This is the first.
Wala tayo man.
Ay, sus, ginoo. Wala man lang isa. Yeah, get it, Zian. Get it, Zian. Rebound. Yes! Good job, Mo! Go, Zian! Get the ball, Zian! Ayan! Sayang.
The ball moving there for Clutch. Just able to get it from downtown there. Goes to Naliwal.
Yes! Ay, ay, ay.
There's a foul. Let's see if we can look.
Rebound! Yes, ay, 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 ay. Inagaw lang.
The putback is good for Riley Wilford.
Gozi! Get the ball! Give it to Mau! Di mo pa kasi binigay. Naka-ready na siya.
Hands it off to Newman. High pick, floater for Newman.
Rebound! Go, Anthony. Go, Mau! Go, Mau! Yes! Woo! Ay, ay, ay. Rebound! Ay, ay, ay. Get the ball!
No points to show for.
Kulang.
Good, but he's not ball for Clutch.
Come on, come on! Ay, ay, ay! Mud, help!
Another turnover.
Yeah, get the ball!
Almost out of bounds. In position again for another press. Bounce passes up to the court. So break that press.
Gozi!
Right side. Back to the other side.
Boom! Yeah! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Rebound! Yes! Yay!
From Genesis.
Ay, sayang! Make it Z. Pasok. Yes! Z! Come on, Z. Time. Pasok. Ay, rebound! Come on, come on, come on. Ay, ay! Ano ba yan? Ayaw!
6! Anthony!
Almost a violation for Clutch.
Rebound!
Some
Ay, ate mo!
It's blocked on the second attempt. They get the ball back.
Pasok.
Goes out for it. And the big man,
Ginagawa ng mga
Jonathan the assist, gets that putback for Genesis.
Come on! Yeah! Woo!
2 points still for number 24, Ethan Enriquez. After a 10-point lead for Genesis, as we approach the final 2 minutes of the first half. We're watching the championship game of the Merge U16 here in Calgary.
Rebound!
Another more games for the UP versus Edge. So we're soon now. Genesis is getting out of the baseline. Up by 10. O'Malley straight away for catches and three. Good run on the defensive rebound for Genesis. The assist fighting hard underneath. The assist gets another 2 points underneath. Idle is fighting Jonathan the assist.
Ay!
Back-to-back baskets for Genesis. Passes to the corner.
Alam, tinapit niya eh.
Collected. Good recovery for O'Malley.
Go, Ethan!
Enriquez. Big side is dribble.
Ah!
All we remaining here. See if we can get a clutch basket here.
3, 2, shoot! Ay, get the ball! Go!
In and they get a break. Brings it to the shot clock. This one represents a rebound. Finish for Reed. Number 16, Clark Benjamin. 21 seconds here. So 3 seconds differential to game up in the shot clock. Genesis moving it out. 3 seconds remaining on their shot clock. They need to win it out.
Time.
1 second.
Ayan. Renewable pa niya kasi na.
Emerge using State Tournament Championship trophy this afternoon. It's currently pointing in the direction of Genesis, but
Get the ball!
is hoping that only
Defense! Wala, tabingi! Get the ball!
there's a pushing foul. 14 to shoot. See that?
Da.
Spike right there.
Rebound! Hands up!
Speedy guys.
Yes.
It's a miss.
Come on, Sean.
It's a threat. 7-7
Ay! Ang lakas! Wow! Ah!
Husky play here. They move it up top. They rotate it, extra pass, single pass. Good execution here.
Rebound! Good job! Go, Ethan!
Regis against Steven. Extra pass here. Benjamin.
Ay, ay, ay! Sayang. Yeah, get the ball!
Same ball. That's how we started this third quarter.
Rebound! Come on, Ethan! Ay, 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 ay. Alanganin yung pasa niya.
Intercepting that. Tough shot. Tough finish for Cohen Tech. Despite the defense, he was able to connect.
Da! Action!
Once again, push the lead to 12. They will run the same play here. They go to its extra pass.
Pasok.
Perfect. And execute the Husky play for Genesis there. Moving the ball side to side. Outside to inside.
Ay, Diyos! Gawa ka, Tres.
Buda. Finds Tiza.
Go, Sean, go, Sean, go, Sean, go, Sean! Yes!
Straight music on the first free throw for Diesel. So we go 2 for 2.
Alanganin. Rebound! Yes!
Benjamin gets a rebound. Gets it. Cross court pass. There's pass there.
Go, Kirby. Make 3 points.
Back protection.
3, 2, 1, shot! Okay lang yan. Meron naman na kayong trophy. Yes.
Response for Clutch. They need
Defense!
stops here. They want to come closer. They left the three-point line.
Yeah, good rebound.
They did not go forward. Newman.
Come on, Kirby. Mag-press kayo, dali.
5.
Yes! Malaman lang tayong ano? Ay, ang dami na pala nilang lamang sa atin. 30. Mag-press kayo, dali. Press, press.
still gets the 2 points.
Gosyon!
It's a friendly. Floats it up.
Yes! Ano daw?
See if Clutch can break the double-digit barrier right now.
11 na lang.
Still trail by 11. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the third. It's a pass.
Ay, ay! Pinabayaan niya. Pinabayaan niya eh. Oh. Foul.
Call. It's inside. Tough for them to finish because of the tightness in backwards.
Na!
Ball. And then receives it. Working on the shot.
Ay, ay, ay! Oh, my!
Go to the
Go, make it. Please. Ay, ay, ay! Defense! Yes! Rebound! Get the ball! Yes! Ay, 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 ay. Come on, Kirby. Please, press. Ay, 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 anak. Sayang, dalawa. Get the ball!
Pull up from the free throw line. That's good. It's
Ay, 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 anak.
basketball, fundamental basketball.
Ay, ay, ay.
Nothing forced. Ewan loses his moving.
Good job, Mo.
Almost about 1:33 remaining in the third quarter. Hamilton
Get the ball!
gets the defenders. Swings it. Quarter 3 from the right.
Rebound.
Rebound.
Go mo.
4 out of bounds. Full possession Clutch. Ron Genesis here. See if Clutch can finish this third quarter strong. They were not
Go, Kirby. Come on, Kirby. Ay, ay, ay.
With 1 minute remaining, Stephen Benjamin.
Yes! Good job! Oh, 13 na lang. Rebound! Ay, ay, ay.
But the comeback is good.
Go, Ivan.
Steph Lee.
Yes! Woo! 13 na lang.
Yes, he's
Ay, ay. Oh.
bring the basketball up.
Yeah.
First free throw six.
Rebound! Get the ball.
Ball possession for Genesis as we begin the final battle. Leave her out. Ball.
Rebound mo! Ay, ay, ay mo. Come on. Dumagdag tuloy. Come on, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Pass the ball, Aaron.
Forced to pick it up.
Okay, come on. Wah! Tower na nilagay, maliit. Ay, ano pa, hindi marunong. Oh, di ba so? Rebound mo! Go mo, go!
Hindi na kayo inabot.
Heads up! Yes, good job, Z! Good job, Z. Good job, Z. Come on, Aaron. Pass the ball, Aaron. Pass the ball, Aaron.
Happening on the offense here. Down to 10 seconds of the shot clock to Clutch. Gotta make it move now.
6, 5, 4. Yes. Monzi. Mo, go mo, go mo, go mo. Ah! One more. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Paso, siyempre.
Gets that 2 points. Taliwal with that lay on the glass.
Come on, guys. Pass mo. Pass the ball.
Offense stalling here for Clutch. Another
6, 5. Boom. Ay, sayang.
You need to get started earlier in their possessions. This game is only 7 minutes away from the end. O'Malley will try to complete. Defense got shooters in the house. Biggest lead belonging now for Genesis at 21. Stops play. Out of bounds again. Two hands for safety, number 4 there, CEC. 6 minutes remaining.
Go, Aaron. Ay, sus! Pinaikot mo pa kasi.
It's tough to go in. You see those taller defenders. Wood.
Go, Ivan.
It's that time for O'Malley.
Go, Z.
Is currently on the
Yes!
That used to be a big no-no in basketball, but these days it's a good shot. The 3-pointer on the last break is good there for Clutch.
Yeah, good job mo. Good job.
Modern basketball for you. Thanks Steph Curry.
Foul, Ivan.
Basketball. Big throws here for O'Malley. Benedict Perez, Calgary versus White Union.
Ayun.
Everyone gets to see it. The second champion of the number 1 ranked player in Canada, Jay Dallin.
Tacho.
Let's see if he can go back to back here. Yes, he did! Back-to-back slams for Jay Dallin. Showing us those hops.
Ay, sayang.
Big man sees bringing out the basketball, point guard. To this sees off step. And slams it over Surrell. Joins the slam dunk party, started by Dallin. 4 minutes remaining. Buta. Shot fake. Drives to the lane. Floater. Short. Bounce.
Okay lang yan. May trophy naman na tayo.
So we'll have a quick trophy presentation after this game for the champion and MVP. Buta chased by Dylan. Buta says, Allen. Try and catch the off. Others have been chased down the block from Dylan there. Yes, if he feed the big man, cross-court pass, swing. Ewan decides to go in. Off one, slight push, gets that floater to go in. Benjamin misses the layup again. Wow, just had 2 slam dunks. A few moments ago. So glad to So we started the second half with just 10 points separating these 2 squads. And the score is 73 to 44. So Genesis pulling away late here in this ball game. Directing a 31-point lead now.
Juan Anthony.
For her.
Go, Z.
Let's see if we can make it.
Yes! Good job, Z!
Red Sportswear.
Rebound!
Three there.
Wanzi. Ayay.
Defense there for Silver.
Aha. Go mo.
1-3. Out of bounds. Opposition Genesis.
Okay lang yan. May trophy naman na tayo.
To bring home the championship trophy of the Merge U16 basketball tournament here at the Winsport Arena Stadium Series. But it was some finishing touches there with a slam.
Go mo. Ayay.
Out of bounds. Jewel.
Mali kasi yung rotation
Hamilton.
Rebound, Ivan.
Short.
Ay, get it!
Hamilton has it. Bounce pass. Jewel. And Jonathan Dessis finishes the group.
Na, ano na? Okay, good job guys!